Mazatlan, Mexico, and we are in La Torre eMe. And we're gonna go to the 15th floor to see the condos. So, come with me.
Hey.
Let's go to the 15th floor. We're going to the penthouse. So we're gonna go to our first condo here, and we are in 1505. So let's go in. Look at this beautiful condo. It's so small and cute for the family. We have the kitchen, we have the dining room, we have a TV, and of course, the beautiful town of Mazatlan. If we see here how beautiful and big it is, we can even see a little bit of the beach on this side. So beautiful. And this one has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So let's go check them out. So this is the first bedroom. Look at that light. Look at how beautiful it looks. And this one, of course, has the view of the city. And at night, oh my gosh, the night lifestyle of Mazatlan is beautiful. You can see all of that at night. Let's go to the other bedroom. And this one we have 2 beds for the family, for twins, anything like that. You can also see some of the beautiful city of Mazatlan. So yeah, let's go check out some more condos in the building. So we're gonna go now to condo 1502 from the Torre eMe. Now let's go. Right here, very beautiful for 3 people. We have our beautiful TV area, living room, dining area as well. Well, actually, let's do the balcony at the end because that's the best part. But let's go see how many rooms this condo has. So this condo has 2 rooms and 2 bathrooms. So imagine you're a family and you have the kids. So this could be like the kids' room, sitting here, laying in bed, having fun. A beautiful view of the beach. And of course, the parents' room. And this one has the biggest bathroom. But let's say you were all day in the beach, sand everywhere. You want to wash some clothes? Don't worry, we have washer and dryer here as well. Here we have it. Now, we saved the best for last. Let's go to the balcony. We have the amazing view, the 15th floor, the highest floor up, the ocean, the city. You can see everything from up here. We have a little patio here so you can sip your coffee in the morning, have a little book read, anything you like. And now, let's go to the other room. Okay, so now we are in our next room, 1503. This is the one where I'm staying at, so it's beautiful. So let's go inside. Where am I supposed to be? Washed up, pushed out, or on my feet? So right off the bat, we have the beautiful living room right here. It has so much space if you want to come with your friends, family, anything like that. We have a beautiful dining room for 6 people. We have a kitchen area, the living room, and the beautiful view, of course. We also have the washer and dryer right on this side. If you want to have the view of the city, we have it right here too. So this one has 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. And we're gonna go see a little bit of the bedrooms.
I'm tiptoeing on the sea, lost and found, I hide in the memory, crossing.
So this is 1 bedroom, very beautiful, has the view of the ocean, of course. And then if you want the bedroom with the view of the city, is the other one over here. So yeah, this is probably one of my favorite ones, even though it doesn't have the ocean view. This one has the beautiful city of Mazatlan, Mexico. And now, let's go see the last room. By the way, all of these include Wi-Fi, cable TV, and AC.
Make it to the other side, or do I have to chase it?
And the last bedroom in this condo, very little, very cute, but of course, the ocean view is the best thing ever. Let's go see the ocean view on this one.
Yeah, another Tuesday.
Also a patio and the beautiful view of Mazatlan. Now on to the next one. And the best condo yet, we are in 1507. Let's come in. So here we are, the beautiful condo, but wait for it.
Where am I supposed to be? Washed up, pushed out, or on my feet? Tell me, is this a dream, or am I stuck in a movie scene? Lately, I'm spinning away so crazy. So baby, just take me. I think I'm caught up in the...
Look at that, we have the beautiful view now. So of course this one has everything, a beautiful kitchen as well, living room, dining area. It even has a bar. Look at this view, come with me.
I think I'm caught up in the wave of you. Oh, upside down, I'm tiptoeing on the sea, lost and found.
Wow, this is amazing. We have the beautiful city of Mazatlan, the beach. We have the nightlife, the streets, busy streets of Mazatlan. And then if you go on the other side, let's go this way.
Oh, I speak loud but don't hear my voice. 10 feet down doesn't feel like choice. Hanging on to the words.
You can see more of the city here and all the Malecon, which is all the coast of Mazatlan. Look at that. Woo! Wow. I want to stay here.
Every time I listen, I just hear white noise.
It kind of feels like you want to eat some shrimp tacos in the beach here. It's amazing. I love it. And by the way, this condo has 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. But look at that. You can even see the ocean with a little tequila and this beautiful bar.
I feel about you. I don't know how I can be so drawn into you. I think I'm falling.
Welcome to the gym. So if you want to work out on your vacation, we have the gym right here for you. And last but not least, we have our beautiful pool here. We have an outdoor pool, very beautiful. You can see both sides. You can see the beautiful ocean of Mazatlan and the town of Mazatlan. The sunsets here are, oh my gosh, they're beautiful.